Good morning. From Adi Sharma, class 8, we'll start a new chapter number 15, Understanding Shapes 1, Polygon. In that, we will start topic 1, which is curve. Now, curve of two types. First is open curve, and second is closed curve. Okay, now what is open curve? If when curve begins and end at the different point are called open curve. When your curve begin with one point and end with another point. Here two points are there. Here first one A point A is one point and point B is another point. If your curve is open with another point and close with another point, this is called open curve. And what is closed curve? If your curve open and close with the same end point, now your circle is a closed curve. Okay, your circle is a closed curve. Another example, this figure is also a closed curve. If your figure is closed, then it is closed curve. If your figure is open, then it is called open curve. Now we will see what is polygon. Now you know the definition of polygon, that a closed figure made up of three or more line segments is called polygon. A closed figure made up of three or more line segment, right? Three or more line segment, then it is called polygon. Polygon should be a closed curve and it has to be three or more line segment. So if I will draw a square, so square is a polygon, right? Closed polygon. Another example, if I will give, then pentagon. Pentagon is also a closed curve and it is also a polygon. More than three line segment I am using. Okay, now we'll see sides, vertex or vertices, you can say diagonals. Now I am giving your name A, B, C, D, E. Okay, these are the points. Now whichever the points I had done, that is called vertices. So I can write here A, comma B, comma C, comma D, E. Okay, till E only there. So A, B, C, D, E are the vertices. And which are the sides here? ED, right? ED, ED. Another thing, DC, DC is also a side. BC, BC, AB, AB, and AE, AE. That all are the side. Now see what is called diagonals. Now diagonals, if we join A and D, that is called diagonals. So AD diagonal, then AC is also the diagonal. Another BD diagonal, BE also the diagonal, CE also the diagonal. Now if I give the name here A, B, C, D. Now see me, which are the diagonals here? AC and BD. Okay, and vertices are A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D are called the vertices, and sides AB, BC, CD and AD are the sides. Good. Now we'll start next topic, which is adjacent side. Any two sides with the common point are called the adjacent side. Now if we will take side AE and ED. Now this and this, both the side I am taking. Common point is E, right? So AE and ED are adjacent side. Now I am taking a point B. Okay, so AB and BC are the adjacent side. Understood what the adjacent side is? Any two side, if we take these two side with the same common point are called adjacent side. Now we'll see adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices. Now what is called adjacent vertices? Any two endpoint of the same side of a polygon. Two endpoints means if we'll take this side BC, that two endpoints are called adjacent vertices. So B and C adjacent vertices. If I will take this side, so D and C adjacent vertices. If I will take this side, so A and E is adjacent vertices. Understood what is adjacent side and adjacent vertices? Now we will start another topic, which is concave polygon and convex polygon. Now in this concave and convex, what is there? That if concave, at least one interior angle is more than 180. Now I am drawing one example, that like this way. Okay, so this is a polygon. Okay, so one angle here is more than 180. If more than 180, then it is called reflex angle. So at least one angle should be more than 180. And in convex polygon, this is convex polygon. Example of convex polygon is less than 180 or equal to, okay, less than or equal to 180. Another example, if you want, then you can take here in convex, such as triangle, and here any reflexive, here is also reflexive, more than 180. Here all angle are less than 180, then it is concave if more than 180, and it is convex if less than 180. Now another topic is regular polygon and irregular polygon. If all the angle and sides are equal, then it is called regular polygon. Here all, if the equilateral triangle will take, so all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. So this triangle is regular polygon. Another example, so if we can take a square, right? Square also have all the angles same and all the side also same. Here in irregular, sides are different, angles are also different, sides are different. Now another example I can take, which is rectangle. Okay, their sides are different. Now let us start exercise number 15.1. 15.1. In that, first question is that draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following. We have to draw a open curve. Open curve, we can draw anything here. Okay, like this way. And a closed curve. Closed curve, we can draw square, anything, whichever you like. Now second question, classify the following curve as open or closed. Now we have to write that it is open or closed. First one, it is that both the endpoints are different, so it is open curve. Second one, closed curve. Third one, open curve. Question number 3. Draw a polygon and shade its interior. Also draw its diagonal if any. Now we have to draw a polygon. What is polygon? A closed curve with 3 or more line segment is called polygon. Okay, so let us draw it. What we have to draw here? We have to draw a polygon. So we can draw any shape which has 3 or more line segment, and it should be a closed curve. So I had drawn rectangle. Now we have to just shade the interior part. So I will shade this interior part. Okay, we have to shade it. And what we have to do? We have to draw the diagonals. So diagonals. Okay, name it A, B, C, D. In polygon A, B, C, D, diagonal is AC and BD. Okay, now let us start question number 4. Question number 4. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. Now we have to just draw the diagram in question 4. First one, in that a closed curve, that is not the polygon. Now closed curve we have to draw, which is not the polygon. So we can draw it. We can draw the circle also, anything, whichever you need. Here we can draw this circle or semicircle, anything. Okay, which is closed curve. Now second one is that an open curve made up entire of line segment. We have to draw open curve made of entire line segment. We have to use any line segment and draw an open curve. So what we can draw? Like this way. Right? This is open curve. We are using line segment. Same way, or anything else. This is also the line segment. Anything. Now third one. In third one, a polygon with 2 sides. We can draw a polygon with 2 sides. The definition of polygon is a closed curve with a 3 or more than the 3 or more line segment. We have to use 3 or more, but here it is written that only 2 sides we have to use. So it is possible? No, not possible, right? So what we now fifth one, following are some figure. Classify each of this figure on the basis of the following. Now this figure you have given and this name are given, only we have to give this name. Now first one angle I can see more than 180. So it is concave polygon, right? And it is close simple curve. So simple close curve and concave polygon. Okay, simple. Now another second one is all angle less than 180. So we can write it is convex polygon and simple close curve. So in short I am writing simple close curve and convex polygon. Now here it is not the curve, right? This figure is not a curve, third one. So not a curve. Fourth one is also not a curve, not a polygon, right? So only we have given option is not a curve, so we have to write not a curve. Fifth one is close curve, right? So what we can write? Simple close curve. Sixth one is also a simple close curve. We can't say this polygon because your curve is there. So simple close curve. Seventh one is also a simple close curve because line segment is there, but this is not the line segment, it is curve. So again simple close curve. And last one, this is also a simple close curve, so we can write simple close curve. Understood? Now let us start question number 6, that is how many diagonals each of the following have. Now here one formula is there, that is n minus 3 upon 2 for finding the diagonals. Okay, this is the formula, and n is equal to sides. Question number 6, in that first one is convex quadrilateral. I am drawing here quadrilateral. Okay, all angles are less than 180 and quadrilateral have 4 sides. So 4 sides. Now what is the formula of diagonals? Is n minus 3 upon 2. So n here is 4 minus 3 upon 2. So 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So how many diagonals? Only 2. You can write directly also here. AC and ABD is your diagonals. You can check it from here. Now second question is that a regular hexagon. Second regular hexagon. Now regular hexagon have how many sides? Hexagon have 6 sides. So 6 sides. So what we can do? Diagonal formula is n minus 3 upon 2. So 6 minus 3 upon 2. 6. 6 minus 3 is 3 upon 2. 6 into 3 is 18 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are so 9. So there are 9 diagonals of regular hexagon. What we can write in question 3? Triangle does not have its diagonal. Okay, now we'll start question number 7. That is, what is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon. Now what is a regular polygon? If all sides and all angles are equal, then it is called regular polygon. Now which three sides? Now three sides same means triangle. Which triangle? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle have all sides same and all angle are also the same. And for the four side, square also have all sides same and all angle are same. And third one, 6. So 6 is regular hexagon. 6 sides same, regular means all sides same and all angles same, so regular hexagon. Okay, thank you for watching this video.